Hello FunXies, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make a handmade fairy doll. So first start with this white paper and I'll just take my scissors and cut this out over here like this. So this way I'll just cut this beautiful red colored fabric also, and that paper tutorial was just to show you guys how to cut this fabric, nothing else. So now again I'll take my fabric and just wrap it around the doll's body. Now again I'll take the papers and show you how to make this with the fabric too. Now I'll take my scissors and cut this part. So I'll just make this umbrella design. This way. Then this another fabric will be on top of each other. Then I'll just fold it from the middle and then fold it again. And I'll cut the umbrella design over here as well. Now over here, as you can see, I'll pin these two together and start sewing it with needle and thread. So over here, I'll just make this beautiful kind of ruffled design. So this will be the frock. So after securing it from the back, I'll just cut the excess thread, and this is how the dress looks right now. Now again, I'll take my glitter and start brushing it off onto the doll's body. So once it's getting dried, I'll make this beautiful kind of bow over here with this satin ribbon. And I'll just place it over here on the one side of the doll's shoulder. And then this pearl bead too. Then again I'll take this beautiful golden satin ribbon and I'll just put this tape over here. Stick these two parts together, then cut it out. Now what I'll do is that I'll cut the sides as well. Now I'll take a needle and I'll start brushing this part out basically. So like this, I'll just make the doll's hair. So this is a new trick which I'm gonna show you guys. Earlier I used to make doll hairs with wool, also with silk thread, but this is something new which I wanted to show you guys. Now I'll just make the wig cap. And I'll start applying the hairs, just basically gluing them together onto this wig cap, and this will create the fake wig, basically fake hairs for the doll. Now I'll just trim the edges to make it look more smoother. let's make the wing. So for that I'm taking this beautiful cardboard, and basically it's a card paper. I'll just take that and trace out the design of this wing, and then what I'll do is that I'll cut it out. Now let's start painting it. So I'll just make this beautiful design for the wing. And also I'll use some sparkles. So this is what the design looks right now. So now I'll just make this place and stick it onto the doll's body, and then start painting the doll's leg as well. So now as you can see, my doll is pretty much ready, and it's a fairy, and as you can see the wings are moving so nicely and she is flying. So guys, this was it. This was the final video. I really hope you guys liked it. If you did, please make sure you give a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Till next time, bye bye.